Today I'll be showing you Summer Peach by Belle Tress in the color Rootbeer Float Blonde.
Never up, never down, never like a theme in a song, clever.
Hi my friends, welcome. So today I'll be showing you Summer Peach here by Belle Tress. I'm bringing you this review in partnership with Name Brand Wigs. So if you ever have any wig related questions, you can email them at support@namebrandwigs.com or you can just give them a phone call. Also, I have a coupon code KIM30. You can use it checkout there at Name Brand Wigs on selected brands. So be sure to check my description box which brands that code's good for. All right, y'all. I know Summer Peach is looking a little cray-cray right now. She's just right out of the box. Fresh right out of the box, guys. I clipped her tag, put her on, just did this just to swoop around my face a little because I wanted y'all to see what you're going to get. Or anyways, I want you to see what I got. And sometimes, like I've said in previous videos, that we get different wigs. We get the same wig, but it's different. Some may come more curly, some may come more straight, some may come kind of looking like this. Now, the old Kim, the Kim 5-6 years ago that just started wearing wigs would have been completely overwhelmed when I put this style on, and I'm being honest, the way it looks, because I would be, my old self would have been like, oh my gosh, that's just, no, you can't, what am I supposed to do? But with wearing the wigs and learning more about it, I know that I can do something with this, and this is going to actually be really, really pretty here shortly. I know it. Summer Peach is this middling style with edgy, but yet soft barrel curls. And those curls just frame the face beautifully. However, it doesn't look that way now just because we have those curls in this one that here on my left side are going back away from the face, which I personally prefer, especially in curly styles, and this is the reason why. If you notice, this side is curled toward my face. So if I'm looking down, which I am a stay-at-home mom and I'm helping kids with homework and I'm doing my business, I'm looking down, tying a shoe, whatever it may be, when you do that, see how this side will stay back? I mean, it'll fall some, but it's not in my face as this. So I just prefer that my curls are away from the face. Summer Peach has heat-friendly fibers. So y'all know I'm going to get in there just here shortly, and I'm going to redirect these curls and put those curls back away from my face and probably spritz her with some synthetic safe hairspray. And I'm sure that she's going to be really, really pretty after I do a little bit of styling. She does have an extended lace front here, which is very, very well done. It is so, so beautiful. We are going to most definitely be playing here shortly and pull her back away from the face and see what she looks like. And she has a left mono part, and she has an average size cap. This one fit me a little large. I have a petite size head measuring 21 inches in circumference. I did use those adjustable straps and tighten her up to make her fit my petite size head more comfortably. Okay, the sides on Summer Peach are 11 to 12 inches. The nape is 6.5 inches. The back is 13 to 13.5 inches, which gives this girl an overall length between 11 and 13.5 inches. And she weighs 5.1 ounces. Let's go ahead and take a look at the inside of her cap. Summer Peach features this extended lace front, which runs from temple to temple. Left monofilament part here. Bendable ear tabs, felt nape with adjustable straps. open weft it throughout the rest of her cap. She does have some stretch. Okay, now all the way around. The color Rootbeer Float Blonde is a blend of light pearl blonde, ash blonde, beige blonde, champagne blonde, and a hint of platinum blonde. So this color most definitely has your blondes covered. Before I go off camera and redirect these curls with my curling iron, I'm going to use a wide tooth comb here, and I'm just going to gently comb her out to see what happens. I don't know, fingers crossed, maybe, just maybe, I may not even have to use that curling iron. I doubt it, but I'm a little hopeful still. And I'm also curious just to see what she looks like combed out. Let's get busy and comb her out. Okay, she looks better, but yeah, I'm most definitely still going to have to go add some more curl to this side and redirect these curls to go back. And also, if I didn't mention already, she does not, that I'm feeling anyways, have any permatease in her. With me personally, I wouldn't mind just a little bit of permatease, especially on this style with all of these big curls. I think that a little bit more of a lift up here would help kind of even all that out. And if you really wanted that boom hair, it would allow that. But I think I could create that just using some synthetic safe hairspray and some products. So I'm going to go play and I'll be back to show y'all what I've done. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So as you can see, I have redirected those curls going back away from my face. And I also just started playing. That curling iron was in my hand, and the more I was putting curls in, I was like, you know what? I'm just going to do the whole thing. So I just started grabbing pieces and putting more curl in it and gave myself a little bit of more of a boom hair here. And of course, when I give this girl a bath, I give her a good soak and wash, and I'll wash the product out of her before I pack her away or store her back in her box that she came in. But once I do give her a wash, it's going to help relax these curls even more so the next time I wear her, she's even going to look better. So let me show y'all what I've done. I just used my curling iron, as I said, and I've redirected those curls, used some synthetic hairspray. But before I used my synthetic hairspray, I flipped my head over and flipped it back. That's why it's a little poofy, and I gave it a spray. And this is what she looks like all the way around now. I like it now. I like it so much better, and look, it's not falling into my face. So there are some positives with these heat-friendly fibers, so you can get in there and do stuff like this. Thank y'all so much for joining me today. But before you go, be sure to subscribe, share, like, and comment. And if you're over on Instagram or Facebook, you can find me there at Let's Talk with Kim. Enjoy your day and stay well, my friends. And I'll be seeing you soon in my next video. Bye, guys.